Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome. And today I am going to be sharing an unboxing with you of a purchase that I made through a Facebook shop called Rosebud Basket of Goodies. I will have the link to the shop down in my description box below. I have shared the products here before and she is amazing. Her name is Alana. She's really easy to contact, so if you have any questions, feel free to contact her again on Facebook. And let's dive into it. Okay, so this shop sells die sets and she gets some really cool and unique sets in, and her prices are very reasonable. I really enjoyed dealing with her. Alana is so kind, and let me tell you, she's so patient too, because I had forgotten that I had placed an order with her. And I can't remember how long it was sitting there for. And she's like, Donna, hello. So anyways, so my first set that I got was this paint artist palette. Thought it was adorable. I actually had recently seen Lollipalooza on YouTube. She made an embellishment using a printable that was a palette like this, and it was so cute. I will try to remember to link that video down below as well so you can check it out. But this set was only $3.50 on sale. There was this set. Isn't that just so cute? It's a cabin and it's got trees and flowers and garden pieces. So I thought actually this would be a great set to use year-round, because there is no reason why you can't use the cabin for all different seasons. You just have to change out the accessory bits. So I can't wait. I've actually got a few ideas for this cabin. So this set was $8. Again, her prices are so reasonable, and her shipping is reasonable, and she's really fast. So I got this set of 3 horses. My daughter, my middle, she absolutely loves horses, so I got this set for her. So there's that one, and that one, and that one. And this set was $10. I will be showing you some samples of everything here in a bit. Here are the cactus. And if you have been following me here or on my other channel, you'll know how much I love cactus and succulents. So I was excited to see this cute little set. And that one was $4. This set was on sale and it had a jar and then came with 2 tags. And this was $4. And then this was so adorable. So this is actually an envelope. And then this is a cute little card. And this set was $5. And my friend Callie from Callie G Crafts, she had sent me some mini envelopes, and I just thought they were so cute. Now I do have a Cricut Joy machine, so I could make them with using that, but I thought, you know, sometimes it's just so much easier and faster just to dig out the Sizzix and punch out stuff like this. So I could not resist it. I thought this was so cute. And then I got this set, and I don't actually have anything like this. So this is landscape edging. So this is grass, and then here's a hill. This is a set of waves, and then there's another hill and some clouds. And this was $5. This is great if you're wanting to create some layering. So I actually thought that this would be really cute with the cabin set. So, and then I got this deer mount, and this was $4, and I thought this would be really good at Christmas time, or if you're going to be making a card for a guy. And then lastly, she sent this cute little bird to me as a gift. That was just so sweet. I thought that was so precious. So I'm going to punch all of these out and I will show you the samples. Okay, so here are the first two sets I want to show you. The one with the house and the garden, and then all the little cactus. So there was one piece I wasn't sure about, and that was this little oval one here, and that was part of this house set. And I ended up finding an image to follow, and it turns out that they're stepping stones. So I thought that was cool. So I punched a few of those out. Thought this was just an adorable scene, and you could put it together any way you'd like. And then there's these cute little cacti and succulents with the flowers. I put this cute little daisy flower on the pot. I thought that would be a fun little addition. So you could punch these out on watercolor and do like some watercoloring or some white cardstock and do some coloring with pencils or markers. But I just did them like this. I thought they looked kind of cute. Okay, so here are the border sets, and these are going to be so versatile. So as you can see here, this is the grass, and this would be, you know, if you're creating a little scene or something, but then you could use this part too. I thought that would be cool, either as a stencil, or you could even use that on as an edge on the card or something. And then this is the clouds. And again, you could use this as a stencil or as an edge on a card. And this is the waves, but I also thought this could be used as a scallop. And there is the other portion. And then these are all the different hills. Now, this one, how did that? Oh, here we go. So this one cut this one out as well as this. So you could totally layer these. So here is one of the others. I thought like this is going to be so cool. So, okay, so the mason jar and tags, the paint palette, and then the envelope and the little card. Show you those now. So here's the card envelope with the card, and you guys, this is so cute. Like, see? Isn't that just adorable? And I added that little heart there, but if you wanted this to close up, I had seen in a sample that they used the heart as a closure for the envelope, but I thought this would be cute to like actually use and as an embellishment in a journal, on a tag, or you could even turn this into a paper clip. Just thought that was so adorable. And then here is the mason jar. Now you could use this as a tag, but I thought if you had some flower stem dies, I actually don't have any, surprisingly. But anyways, you could slip the stems in between that little open hole there. I thought that would be kind of cool, and you could have flowers coming out. And then there's the tags. They're so pretty. And then here's the painter's palette. Isn't that just so cute? Now you could distress the edges and you can do lots of fun things, but I just kept it simple just so you can see how it goes together. And the paintbrush was actually had lots of different layers. So the paintbrush included all these pieces here. So this is the handle, and then this is the metal part that holds the bristles. And that here is the bristles, and then that one beside it is the paint blob. The paint blob. Yeah. So yeah, I thought that was so cute. Like I said, there was really cute embellishments made by Lollipalooza using something similar to this. And I thought, oh, it would be so cute. I believe she made a paper clip or a magnet or something, but I can't remember. Anyway, so yeah, I thought that would be a really fun set to have. And then for the last sets, there is the deer head mount and then the horses. I left all the horses in one piece, but you could definitely separate them and do different colors. And then the cute little bird that Alana had gifted me. So here they all are. The bird is so cute. And I was looking, it punched out a whole bunch of little hearts, and I thought, oh, those hearts could be used for shakers for sure. And then here is the deer embossed beautifully. You can see that there. And then there's the horses, which my daughter is going to love. So yeah, I was really happy with how all of these cut. So again, I'm going to have her Facebook shop link down below. All right, so thank you, Alana, for sending these to me and for being patient with me. And thank you for the cute little bird. Again, I'm going to have her shop linked down below. Check it out. And I want to thank you all so much for being here. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.